Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see anong parating sa inyo in the next 2 weeks. From the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading, anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, let's see. Leo, what is the energy next 2 weeks for Leo? Beauty, talaga naman. You will focus on your aesthetics, your appearance. And syempre, beauty is from within rin, no? So, you will focus on how to, be beautiful, not just from the outside, but also from the inside. This is also about, some changes na gagawin mo sa physical appearance mo, improving yourself physically, being more attractive. Diba? Glamour talaga no? Oo. So, some of you, Leo, this is about, parang mas makikilala ka ngayon, mas bibigyan ka ng attention ng maraming tao. Kasi nga, Jupiter is in Leo right now, no? And I think ngayon, mas nagpo-focus ka rin sa sarili mo, kung paano mo ipresenta ang sarili mo sa iba. At not just, hindi lang dahil gusto mong ipresenta yung sarili mo sa ibang tao, but also, yung bang gusto mo yung nakikita mo tungkol sa sarili mo. It's more on loving yourself. Yes, and you will also serve as an inspiration sa nakararami. I also see you na mas magiging inspired ka rin sa sarili mo, kaya, di ba pag ang isang tao inspired, like nag-glow up talaga, no? So that's what I'm seeing for you. Hindi lang yan physically, but also can be sa career mo, mas mag-glow up yung career mo because you are inspired, you know what to do, di ba? Or you are an inspiration sa ibang tao. Okay? Let's see your overall energy. What's the overall energy ng mga Leo in the next 2 weeks? 10 of Swords, nako. Marami kayong i-let go. Oo, it's time to cleanse your energies, Leo. Kaya rin siguro meron ditong improvement sa inyong sarili, merong glow up is because meron kayong mga tinatanggal na sitwasyon, bagay, tao sa buhay nyo na hindi na nagsiserve ng highest purpose ninyo. You are focusing on starting a new beginning. Pero bago makapagsimula, kailangan may i-let go muna, no? That makes sense kasi kung napapanood nyo to ng yung transit natin ng South Node is in Leo, diba? So it's about letting go, release, no? Releasing what is no longer serving you. Kasi diba yung iba, let's say sa mga relationships, pag umalis sila sa isang toxic relationship, mapapansin mo, nag-glow up sila. Diba? Regardless of the gender. Okay, your challenge is the 7 of Wands. Ang challenge mo is merong mga tao na will try to, belittle you, na parang sabihin na, you're not doing it the right way. May mga makikialam sa buhay mo. So, wag mong hayaan na ikaw ay mapakialaman na ng iba or maimpluwensyahan ng iba. Oo. At wag mo rin hayaan na yung opinion ng ibang tao ay mag-define sa sarili mo or sa kung paano mo nakikita yung sarili mo. Kasi, 'di ba, kapag binase mo yun, paano na lang pala, mas magkakaroon ka ng people-pleasing behavior, 'di ba? So, it's about you focusing on yourself, but not on how other people perceive you, no? Now, your opportunity is the 7 of Pentacles. So, as an opportunity, this is, yung fruition ng iyong mga pinaghirapan. So, may opportunity ka ngayon na makita unti-unti, yung resulta ng mga efforts mo. So, kailangan dito, you have more patience. Kasi minsan, pag minamadali ang isang bagay, hindi natin nakukuha yung best results nun kasi nga minadali siya. Kumbaga parang kung sa sa prutas, 'di ba pag kinain mo yung hinog sa pilit, hindi ganun kasarap. Oh, unlike pinahinog mo talaga siya sa bunga at pinitas mo sa tamang panahon. Oh, 'di ba? Your blessing is the Empress. This really makes sense. Alam nyo, Leo, if this is your plan in the next 2 weeks to focus on improving yourself, hindi lang sa physical but also in all aspects of life, you will receive a lot of blessings kasi nag-align ka talaga sa Leo energy wherein you are you are the center, you are someone who's creative, joyful, 'di ba? So, you will be blessed with abundance. Abundance in knowledge, abundance in skills, abundance in your resources. Ganda. Tignan natin yung energy ng kaperahan nyo. Money, career, finances. You have the Page of Pentacles. So, meron kang mga pag-aaralan, no? Maaring may pinag-aaralan kang bago sa paningin mo na pwede mong pagkakakitaan or may sinisimulan ka ngayon na proyekto, trabaho, business, no? In the next 2 weeks na kailangan mo talagang maging knowledgeable dyan para makita mo yung magandang resulta. Now, your love life is the Six of Cups. Okay, baka mamaya merong bumalik sa buhay mo, no? In the next 2 weeks, person from the past, no? Pwede rin naman tong pakiramdam, no? Hindi naman kailangang bumalik tong taong na to physically. Maaring maaalala mo tong taong to for some reasons or merong magbabalita sa'yo about an ex na, uy, si ex mo ganito na pala siya or ito na yung ganap sa buhay niya. So, some of you naman, this can be meeting your soulmate. Maaring meron kang makikilalang soulmate in the next 2 weeks dahil ikaw nga ay nag-glow up, so mas marami kang maa-attract na romantic connection. Okay, let's see what else for Leo. Take a breath. Oh, Moonstruck. Take a breath. So it's like, yung pagtitiwala sa sarili mo na kaya mo. And at the same time, meron ka ring time para sa sarili mo na magpahinga. To take a break and take a breath. Oh, a breath of fresh air. That's what I'm seeing as well here. Na merong bago, something fresh sa'yo in the next 2 weeks. Like a new career, a new business, a new relationship. It's a brand new you na magbibigay to sa'yo ng confidence. And people will see you as an inspiration to them. Ayan. So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.